Hello everyone, welcome to Hazel's channel. Today we're gonna introduce this 112 kilowatt hours outdoor cabinet. Look, my engineer is opening the door with Gia sound. We saw a very big logo of our rear. By the way, we can do OEM for your logo. Here I have 7 pieces, 16 kilowatt hours battery in series connection of total 112 kilowatt hours. And see, my engineer is typing to English and let you check the date of each battery and battery cell. By the way, this is high voltage box. Each battery has BMS inside, and on that high voltage box have second level BMS. We can do from 96 kilowatt hours max to 241 kilowatt hours outdoor cabinet. The IP level is 15.5 and this is AC cooling. We also do liquid cooling cabinets. The orange cables are battery cables and black ones is communication cables. On the right side is the inverter. We have Solis Inverter+112KWh, all big brand inverter for matching, and you will see all dates in the inverter screen. Here. And on the left side is air conditioner. Well, this is short introduction. If you want more, call me. Bye.